Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all to this unique English learning class. In today's class, we are going to focus on a word called supposed to. Yes, this is a very frequent common word that people use generally in their day-to-day communication. And in today's class, we are going to discuss some examples and how to use supposed to in a more detailed way. So before we go ahead, let me tell you what is the meaning of supposed to. Supposed to is a word that is a replace word for should. Generally, we say like you should go home early, you should study English in your life, or you should sleep on time. So this is like something you use sentence while you make the sentence using should. Now, what is the psychology behind using the word should? Generally, we have three things to use word should. The first one is expectation, the second one is duty, and the next one is responsibility. So expectation, duty, and responsibility. When you have these three words in your brain in the form of feeling, you are supposed to use the word should. You can see like I have used the word supposed to now. So supposed to is a word which can replace the word should when you have a feeling of responsibility, duty, and expectation. Let's have some example. For example, when you say you are expected to come to the office on time. So it means you can say you should come to the office on time. Or in other words, to make your English more advanced, you can say you are supposed to come office on time, right? So you are supposed to. In this way, you can use it. We always use is/am/are and was/were before supposed to. All right, you cannot use can, could, may, might, shall, should, did, any other words. You have to use is/am/are plus supposed to plus verbs first form always when you are making a sentence. All right, so this is like expectation. When we talk about duty, you can say it's your duty that you should not watch TV, right? So you can say, or maybe in other words, you can say it's your duty to help poor people. You are supposed to help poor people. So you can translate or you can change that sentence into supposed to by using these words, right? Let's have some more examples to make it much clearer in your brain. It's your duty that you should pass the exam with first rank, right? You are supposed to pass the exam in first rank. You can also make the sentence in past. It was your duty to teach your brother a lesson, right? You were supposed to teach a lesson to your brother, right? So when you have a duty, you can go for supposed to. It's a very easy way to use. Now, the next we go for responsibility, right? It's being as an elder, it's my responsibility that I should take care of my younger brother, right? So I am supposed to take care of my younger brother. In this way, you can use it, right? So we have check like three situations. We have duty, responsibility, and expectation. When we have these three feelings, we always say supposed to in an advanced way, right? So let me repeat one more time. It's our duty that we should speak English when we are facing an interview. So you are supposed to speak English when you're facing an interview. Okay, this is for the duty. Now the second, we can talk about responsibility. So you can say being as a teacher, I should speak English all the time. So I am supposed to speak English all the time, being as an English teacher. Now the next one is expectation. You are expected to respect your parents. So you are supposed to respect your parents. All right, so these are the three examples we have taken for supposed to. Now I think it's much clear for you to use supposed to in your day-to-day communication. Still, if you have any doubt, any question, any query, you can write down your question into the comment box and I will definitely reply you. All right. Also, I would like you to just write down one example for all these three situations, like for duty, responsibility, and expectation in the comment box, and I'll check it out. And if you make a mistake, I will correct that. All right. So this is all for today's class, and I would like you to please subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit from such kind of things. And I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching it.